Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You're joining me on this cozy Sunday. I don't really know how many days this is gonna be, but we're getting started today. I was cleaning up around here today, came back to the city like really late last night. Then this morning I was like, oh, we're gonna tidy up around here, you know, do everything. Now I'm feeling better and I took a bath and I put on some makeup. I tried out, I have to show you. I'm wearing a pajama set with a sweater on top because I am actually a grandma, if you didn't know. Anyways, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. They sent me it today and I was like, I need to try this. It's definitely more of like tinted moisturizer vibes, lighter coverage, but I put all my normal makeup on over top and I really like it. It does everything it needs to do, but the coverage is a little bit lighter. Does that make sense? I'm wearing the shade 2 Neutral, if you're wondering. I had to film a few things, do a few things like on camera. So I was like, hey, here we are. But what I'm actually gonna do right now, I've been literally procrastinating this so hard, but I have the time right now to just sit here and finish it. I wanna get to reading some more fiction books. I actually just got some new books. So I want to pound out Outliers, so I'm gonna like read. I have less than 100 pages left, and I read like somewhat quickly. I've just been getting distracted. I'll read, you know, 10 pages before bed and be like really tired and go to bed. But I need to read in the daytime if I want to power read, because when I read before bed, I'm tired, you know? So I'm gonna sit here, read right now, and then in a little bit, I thought we could make dinner together, have a night. I need to get back on my routine, so here we are. Don't ask me why I've been like using my bookcase for random storage. I just need to put these away. But I got a few things, including some new books. I got Hating Game, which I know it's a new movie with Lucy Hale, so I've been wanting to read it. And then I just got another Elin Hilderbrand, Winter in Paradise, because it is winter and I'm looking for a beach read. Got another beach read. I ended up leaving that at home. That was in the last vlog. Anyways, so these are going to be like probably the next reads. I might read the Elin Hilderbrand next. And then I got some bookmarks, because if you saw, my bookmark situation right now is literally a receipt from the bank. So I was like, I'm gonna, you know, be an adult and get some real bookmarks. I like these because they fold over the pages. I can link them on my Amazon shop, which is just amazon.com/shop/Brooke if you guys were wondering. Yay, so I'm gonna use one of those. Don't really know why these pens were there, but I just got these in the last vlog if you watched that. I just put those cookies that I got here with my purse. Like, this all needs to be tidied up. Just got a battery for my new film camera. I need to put that in. So we have things to do, but first I'm gonna read, because I really just like have the urge to finish right now. It got dark out. I know I always show the view, but it's really, really pretty, okay? Just finished, and I did really like it. It definitely was educational at some points. I felt like it was pretty dry, but I felt like the takeaways from this book made it worth it, if that makes sense. It's basically all about, it says, we have come to focus far too much on their intelligence and ambition and personality traits. Instead, Malcolm Gladwell argues that we should look at like their culture, their family, their generation, and like privileges kind of surrounding that. And I found it very interesting. So with that being said, this is going back on the shelf. And then up next, I'm going to read Elin Hilderbrand, Winter in Paradise. I just want a fun, light read that I'll probably like fly through to get me on a little kick. I wanted to cook dinner, and I thought this would be the perfect time to talk about the sponsor of today's video, which is WW. Been getting a lot of questions from you guys, like if I'm doing WW, what's the vibe with the new personal points plan? And I am trying to follow it for this year. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm gonna be completely honest, I haven't been the most perfect with following it, and I've been trying to go easy on myself. But something that I've been loving about WW is the recipe feature recently on the app once you're a member. And by the way, you could use the code BrookeMichio. That's going to get you a deal. So I will leave like the info to that, but people are always wondering like, what's my code for WW? Use the code BrookeMichio. Anyways, one of my favorite features on the app is the recipe tab. I'm always stumped on what to make for dinner, especially if I'm like, I want to be a little bit healthier tonight, or lunch, or really anything. But tonight for dinner, I'm going to make, I found this really cool recipe for like cheeseburger bowls. I have to alter the recipe a little bit just for the ingredients that I particularly have and what I was able to find on delivery apps near me. It's going to be like beef, and then like the bowl part of it, we're gonna do, it should be like regular like plum tomatoes, but I'm not using those. I'm just gonna do lettuce, tomato. We're gonna cut up a red onion. Going to use some pickles. We're literally making like a cheeseburger in a bowl, guys. Like, this is gonna be so good. So I have pickles, I have mayo. I would do like ketchup if I liked ketchup, but I'm not really too crazy about ketchup. Some cheese. I'm just using the cheese that I have. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a really delicious meal. I'm really excited about it. So I wanted to talk to you guys about the personal points engine. This is something that I've already done, so I will insert some screen recordings and stuff of what it looks like, but it's basically a quiz that you take on the app, and it's going to formulate your new plan sort of for you. And basically based on the way that you answer this plan, your 0 point foods are going to look different, and that is the new personal points plan. So for For me, my 0 point foods are, actually I could add an egg to this dinner, which I might do because my eggs are 0 points for me. Avocado, I don't have any right now, darn. Fruits, starchy vegetables like potatoes. I could even do potatoes in this bowl if I wanted to. Like I said, I'm just kind of working with what I have. Non-starchy vegetables then, so like the lettuce in there, the tomatoes. It's super easy. Everything's just like laid out on the app. So after you do the personal points engine, it's going to like bring you to this, and you could always reference your 0 point foods on the app. I have to say the app is so easy to use. Everything's just laid out there for you. So I have all of those 0 point foods, and then every day I get 18 points. Like I said, the recipe tab has to be one of my favorites, so I just go into recipes. This is really cool. You could just put in like what you already have in your fridge and it will give you recipe ideas. But what I like to do is like kind of search for things that I'm craving. So like the other day I found like these Greek like pitas that I want to make for lunch, Greek chicken pitas, and then I can go ahead and click save and save the recipe. Or like this sounds so good, chicken and orzo soup with fennel, yum. And you could also sort by like how intense these recipes are, like how long it will take to make them and stuff. But with that being said, I'm actually quite hungry, so I kind of want to get started on cooking up this dinner. I am working with WW in the new year, so if you guys want to check them out, you could actually start with your new personal points membership and you get $10 off when you use the code BrookeMichio. So I will have the link down below, but once again, use that code BrookeMichio on WW to save. Let's get cooking. Oh, also my dishwasher is broken. Not that it really matters. A lot of New York apartments don't even have dishwashers, so obviously I'm really lucky to have that. But it's broken and it's back ordered, so I'm not gonna have a dishwasher for a minute. So there's pretty much always gonna be stuff drying here because I don't have a drying rack or anything. So we're just gonna have to get over that. I'm getting over it too. All right, I'm watching Cheer. I made my bowl. The hamburger meat mixed with onions that I just did in a bowl, pickles that I chopped up, cheese that I had, cherry tomatoes, which are delicious, or maybe they're grape tomatoes. More of the yellow onion. I just decided to just do yellow onion because I already chopped it. It was easy. And now we're gonna taste it, topped with mayo. Clipped my hair back too while I was cooking. I just have like one of those clips in it. I feel like I need to like mix it all together, but I don't want to. I'm proud of myself. This is really good. Yum, guys. This is something that I feel like I never would have cooked for myself. Like I just wouldn't have thought to do this, but it's delicious. So that's why I like the WW app for all these like type of recipes, even though I made some modifications to it and I can revise that when I put it in the app, but yum, I'm gonna mix it all together now. Good morning, guys. Next day. I am going to make myself a coffee this morning and get back in bed and do some reading. It's Monday, but I am recording Gals on the Go in a few hours. I have to figure out my outfit for that too. But I'm making this coffee and literally going to bed because it's what we deserve. The everyday routine, it's the Starbucks blonde roast, almond milk. This is Cleefy Farms Unsweet. My fun straw. This is my like half Barefoot Dreams blanket. I got this one from Nordstrom Rack and it's more affordable than the other one. And I've been sitting with my one, I have one on the couch and then I have one in here. And normally they just sit like in the blanket basket, but honestly, like before I go to bed and like just cuddled up right now, like it's so soft. I love to sit with it. So I'm gonna link this one because it's definitely more affordable and it's basically the same thing. It's just a little bit smaller. So really nice. And I'm going to continue reading my like easy read and drinking my coffee. Good morning. I ended up getting ready for the day. I'm wearing these jeans from American Eagle that they sent me. We sit down to record and that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to the Gals on the Go office to record with Danielle. These jeans are really nice because they're stretchy, so like when I sit down I don't have to worry about like, oh my god, my stomach hurts, and I have to think about that stuff now because we record on video. The sweater is from Revolve and I'm just wearing my All Saints white sneakers, so super casual, but you really only see like from here up, so it's fine. After I record, I'm gonna come back here and then I think my boyfriend's coming over. We're gonna like have a day and then we are going to Javelino, which apparently it's like the best place in the city for like Tex-Mex, so I can get like queso and things like that, or we can get queso I should say. And then I think we're gonna go to Barcade, which is apparently a really fun bar type spot where you can play games. So we're gonna be drinking margaritas tonight and then going and playing like video games. I haven't seen him, it's Monday and I haven't seen him since like last week because we both went away for the weekend. This is gonna be like a little day date into night date. I'm gonna try to get some clips, but at the same time I'm not gonna like pressure myself too much to vlog. You guys know I don't really vlog when I'm with him. I saw some comments about like, oh, when's he gonna be introduced? Like he's not going to be introduced, I'm just gonna say that. I really am trying to respect and appreciate people's boundaries. I know some people don't feel comfortable on camera, so I'm not going to force that. At the same time, it's something that I am enjoying, like I said a million times, keeping private right now. So while I can show what I'm doing and stuff, there's no need to be like, oh, like here we are, you know. I'll vlog what I can. But anyways, we're going to record now first. So Danielle and I are gonna head over to the office. Jordan, who is actually Danielle's video editor, is now editing for the Gals on the Go video, and she's actually gonna come help us set up our cameras. Danielle and I are not too savvy with the camera stuff, like we can figure it out, but like last time we recorded, we had one video in the wrong like frames per second, and it totally threw off the whole video. Like you don't even realize how important that stuff is, like the settings. We just like literally hit record on both of the cameras. We should have known. We didn't like look at the settings and like make sure they matched up. So we are going to have Jordan come like set us up. She so kindly offered. She's like, hey, I'm in the city, I'll come set you guys up. So we'll hang out with Jordan. She'll help us record the episode, and then I'm gonna come back here and start my like day into night date. So I'm very excited about it. So let's go record. All right, we just finished up. The gals. The gals. I'm gonna head out and go back to my apartment now. Well, Danielle is going to too. She's gonna get lunch, I think, maybe. We'll see.
She's having a Chipotle.
She's having a Chipotle moment. I could go for it too, but I'm going to dinner like 6, and if I eat Chipotle, it's a big meal, you know? So I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel. And I'm actually having Mexican for dinner. So same vibe. That was good. That was really smooth. We'll be up by the time this vlog goes up. Yeah, we'll definitely be up. So go listen to Gals on the Go or watch the video on YouTube. YouTube.com/Gals on the Go podcast.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Hi guys, it's the next day. The queso from Javelina or Javelina, I'm so bad at pronouncing things, we know. It was really good. We did the queso sampler, and then we got the one that had like black beans and guac, and it was just really good. And then we went to Barcade, which was also such a fun night. They have a bunch of different locations. We went to the one on St. Mark's in East Village. It was so much fun, like really nostalgic video games. I was really having a lot of fun playing Galaga. Is it Galaga or Galaga? I always pronounce it wrong. We have it at my house. I was actually doing so well. My boyfriend's like, oh my gosh, you're doing so well. It's like, we have this game at my house. My mom loves it. Oh, I just realized the bra was in the back of that clip the whole time. Whoops. I was kind of planning an outfit for later, but at the same time, I think I might stay in comfy clothes and go work out in a little bit. I think I'm gonna read for a little bit. I'm like halfway through this book, Winter in Paradise. I really like it. I love Elin Hilderbrand as an author. They're very like beachy reads, very like girly, you know, romance. This one actually has a lot of characters and a lot going on. So more than I feel like her typical books, but I really like it. But what I just got in the mail is the new Colleen Hoover book that I do want to read, so that's why I want to finish this one so that I could read this. This is Reminders of Him. It literally got released like yesterday, so I pre-ordered it and it just arrived. So I want to be able to read this, but I want to finish that. So I'm gonna finish that one, or at least read for a little bit, work out for now. Very chill day, but I did some emails and did some computer things, and I'm taking it easy on myself today. I actually went out for a walk before I dropped off some things at my friend Alicia Childs and Savannah's apartment. I gave them like just some PR and things, and that was a good way to like get out of the house and get moving this morning. But for now, we're gonna read this. I also wanted to say the merch is still available, so that's what I'm wearing right now. And I wore it when I was like out running around today. The pink beanie that my mom was wearing in the last vlog, just all of our merch in general, it's still available. If you want to shop the merch, you can go to galsonthegopodcast.com and then just click on there. It's sold through Fanjoy, which is very legit. We love them. They are so great. I'm wearing an XL right now. I would recommend getting everything in a size up just in case. I mean, that's just personally how I prefer like sweatshirts and stuff like that, even like t-shirts to fit. But if you want it fitted, obviously go for your true size. But this is the XL, and if I'm standing up, it does like cover my butt, which is nice. And I've washed it a few times, and I think I've put it in the dryer too, I think. What else I was about to do is I'm going to use my book stamp. If you didn't see, a few vlogs ago I showed you guys, I got this book stamp from Etsy. So cute, and I've been stamping all my books with it. I like to lend out books to friends. Sometimes they don't return them, which is completely fine. My bookcase is like honestly full already. I love a hardcover book. I know like some people do the e-reader thing. I'm a hardcover gal, and I realized I got all these new ones and I didn't stamp them up yet. So I'll show you how easy it is. I could also try to link the Etsy shop that I got this from, but I haven't been doing it in one like consistent place, but when they have the front cover open, I do it right here. I messed that one up. Sometimes it like doesn't get a perfect ink thing. Here, I'll try to do it on like the back page and maybe I'll get it more clear this time. It has to be really flat. That one was a cleaner cut, and it just says from the Library of Brooke. Yeah, I don't know, it's just for cuteness. Nice. Now the last one, the new Colleen Hoover. This one has indentations on the first page and they do in the back. I feel like a librarian, honestly. Remember that, like, they used to like stamp your books and stuff? Whoa. Do you guys hear that wind? Beautiful. I'm just procrastinating working out, honestly, even though I know it's not going to be that bad. So I've just been reading. And I did some emails and stuff in there too, because the middle of the day hits. A lot of the people I work with are in California, so typically my mornings are pretty slow, and then like middle of the day hits and everyone's like finally doing their emails, because if they're on California time, I'm in New York. So that makes perfect sense. That's why I don't have to like wake up and like spring out of bed most days, because it's like I have a few hours to like get things done. A vlog was supposed to go up today. It's a Tuesday. However, I'm waiting for brand approval, which I submitted it on time. Don't you guys worry. I like to give them days to approve it, but sometimes it just doesn't happen. So it will go up tomorrow. It's still going up. I'm trying not to be too hard on myself. I'm doing 2 videos a week. You know what I mean? So like if it's a day off, I'm gonna be okay with that, but it's still 2 videos. So we're gonna learn to be okay with that. I'm gonna keep reading for a little bit and then finally go work out, I guess. So I'm walking on the treadmill, no one's in here. Good time. I'm reading at the same time, which is really impressive. I really want to finish this book. It's really good. And I wanted to work out at the same time. I worked out. I actually ended up doing like an hour. I put the speed at really low though, because it was hard to read with not the speed. I put the incline low, speed at 3. And I did like over an hour because it was hard to read and do it at the same time. But the book is so good. I'm almost done. I'm slathering up with some moisturizer. This is just CeraVe all over, just to stay nice and moisturized. I can tell my skin's getting pretty dry. I'm just gonna put this all over. I'm like power reading at the end of this book right now because I need to know the ending, and then I'll update you guys. I'm also just really excited to read that Colleen Hoover book, so nice and moisturized. I did a Free People haul like a few vlogs ago, and this is actually the sweatshirt from like the matching set that had like a little skirt with it. But the sweatshirt is so cute. It's like lightweight, just wearing leggings and Uggs. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna finish this, at least right now. I'm gonna take it with me. I'm gonna go up to my boyfriend's. We're gonna like do dinner and stuff. I'm just bringing that with me. I really wanted to be able to finish, but like at the same time I'm like rushing and not enjoying it. But I literally think I'm about to go and order, this is a trilogy, and I'm about to go and order the other 2 books in it right now, just so that I have them on deck, because it's so good and I know that I'm definitely gonna want them. And I've read online that it ends in a cliffhanger, which I could so see, because it doesn't seem like it's like a seamless ending. Anyways, the review of Winter in Paradise is that I really like it. I feel like all of her books they're definitely like romance, but they have elements of like mystery and like thriller, which I always really like. That keeps me like kind of on my toes. What else was I gonna show you guys? I'm so excited about this. I got sent a bunch of stuff from Year of Ours, which is, it's like a workout company, athleisure, whatever. Do we call it athleisure these days? I guess that's like what we're calling it, right? Because it's kind of like they sell like sweatshirts, sweatpants, like that sort of stuff too. And I got a few things. They let me pick out a few things, and so I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. So this isn't gonna be a try on haul. You'll see it in like future vlogs. How adorable. It's this cute set that has like a little tie up on the leggings. I got the pants in a medium and the tops in a large. That's typically what I do when it comes to like sizing like that. Pretty lilac color. I hope this cut's good for me, and I hope it's supportive. I struggle with sports bras. If you have a larger chest, you know. Because I still want them to be cute. That's the thing. Like, I could find a good supportive one. It's just not going to be cute, but I want it to be cute. This is so freaking cute. And then this here, these are just like the classic. I think that this is like their style. They have like these crossover leggings just in black. And then I got another sports bra. These I got purposefully more like high neck. They're more of like a high neck sports bra, so we'll see. Hopefully those fit good. And then this I loved so much. I thought it was so cute. It's a little workout top. I've been really into this like zipper on the way down. I think it's a little spicy, if I do say so myself, but I really like it. So it's like your arms are open and like just that. Honestly, I feel like this could like probably double up as a sports bra too, because it's like that stretchy material. So I'm gonna wear those in the vlogs to come. Bring this to wear tomorrow. Honestly, thank you so much to Year of Ours for sending me that stuff. I'm honestly so grateful to every company that sends me clothes, makeup, like food, literally anything. I'm so grateful because it lets me try different things. Like I've tried things from their brand before, but to try such a range, then I get to share with you guys and be like, it's worth the hype, cool stuff. So I'm going to end off this vlog. I know it's a little random all over the place, but we're getting back on track. I'm just happy to be, you know, finding those pockets of time to focus on me again in terms of working out and eating healthy. So thanks again to WW for sponsoring this video. It's a journey. It's not overnight. I mean, you guys saw me eating queso in this video, and I feel like it's so important to live my life in balance, and I still want to be able to go out to dinner with my boyfriend and eat what I want to eat, but then also like make a healthier choice and like eat a salad or eat a bowl, you know? So it's all about that balance. Let me know what you guys are doing to kind of have a little more balance in your life in the new year, or just in general. Sneaky little tips you have. Love you guys, and I will talk to you all in the next vlog. Bye!